Good evening. So this video is there's no real project going on. There's no real topic I want to talk about either. This is more or less a tutorial on another video I did, the Jaguar Pushup. So I'm going to do a tutorial because I've had Battle Buddy try to do the Jaguar and biffed it. I had a friend who I ran to the store, said they tried to do a Jaguar and biffed it. And then a coworker told me that one of their family members tried to do a Jaguar and biffed it. So we're going to do this in a crawl, walk, run, sprint tutorial. Alright, so unlike regular push-ups where you just kind of push up and you stop here, you kind of want to lock out your arms and then you kind of just want to bounce with your shoulders. So you're going to go. And it's going to get you used to bouncing off the ground because the point of a Jaguar is that you are supposed to get airborne. So once you get the locking out down, get up here and just use your shoulders and kind of bounce. And now, once you get the lockout and the bounce down, try to do a couple claps. And that's the upper body part. The legs, it's really not hard. All you're doing with your legs, all you're doing is bringing them in. So you're going down, up, in, out. Down, up, in, out. And the force you're doing to get airborne, you're not really pushing up, as more you're pushing yourself away. Because you're going to push yourself away from the ground. So once you got the claps, the in-outs, now just try to get airborne. And then, once you're comfortable, you have enough practice in, Jaguar. So, I get that this wasn't a really good tutorial. I don't really explain things very well, unfortunately. But it's one of those things, you do it for so long that you actually forget how you didn't know how to do it. And now you're trying to explain something you've done. So you want to push, not up, but away, locking out your arms, pushing your shoulders forward to get you more air time. Then you're going to bring your hands to your knees midair and then sprawl back out. But it's more important that you get airborne first and land in the sprawl position. And then once you actually get good at being airborne, then try slapping your knees. Or if you have to, do one of these weird little numbers. So instead of going for the full Jaguar, instead of going, just try to push yourself up and bring your legs in. So you're going to push up, and while you're airborne, bring your legs in, and it should look kind of like this. So I hope this made sense. I hope you understood what I was trying to say. I hope I showed demonstrations very well. And if you do a Jaguar, that's awesome. Let me know in the comments, or if I see you in person, let me know in person. The point is, I want everyone to some degree watch what I do and have the confidence in yourself that you can too also do it. So until our next project, which I'm still trying to figure out, I hope you enjoy this video and have a beautiful day.